Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Windows Package Manager Server.exe applications error in Windows, with the error message show the instructions at 0x00007FFA A00D9 BF3 reference memory at the error code. The memory could not be read. Click on OK to terminate the program. So Windows Package Manager Server.exe is an executable file that belongs to the Windows Package Manager tool, a utility managing software installations, updating, and removal through commands or scripts. Most commonly reasons why this application's error might occur. This include corrupted or missing system files that prevent the executable from running, issues related to the Windows updates, or compatibility problems between software versions, background processes, or third-party software such as security programs, and lastly, malware or system registry issues. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo nang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na winget space source space reset. Okay, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na winget space source space reset and press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so once na press mo na yung enter, so makikita mo tong details na to. The following source will be reset if the first option is given. So after nito ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so close mo lang tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Alright? And other solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset system components. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo ulit dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig, that is one word, and space //DNS, so one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space wnsux space reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space wnsux space reset and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the wnsux catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Alright? So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito sa administrator command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang i-type or i-enter mo yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So, in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito or enter mo lang tong command keyword na dsem space /online space /cleanup -image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan, and then next step, kailangan lang natin ditong i-paste or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B and press mo lang yung enter. And then dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. So ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Package Manager Server.exe applications error in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.